Production and service processes can often produce a continuing source of oil-contaminated water that could be continuously processed or stored safely on site for short periods of times and bulk processed in the future. Water Scrubber 55 is an inexpensive, simple, and safe solution for oily wastewater filtration requirements. Water Scrubber 55 has three simple components: a large, reusable plastic drum fitted with a collector tube and an outlet at the bottom, a diffuser, and 3 bags of absorbent W particulate. Pour the absorbent W particulate into the Scrubber 55 barrel and lightly tamp it. This will remove any voids or fissures in the material and ensure the oily water will always be in contact with the absorbent W. Place the diffuser plate over the top of the Scrubber 55 barrel and secure it with the attached tie. You are ready to produce clean water. We are taking the oily water from our demonstration tank, which has the mixture you see being prepared added to it. The concentration of hydrocarbons to water in this situation is about 30,000 parts per million. Water Scrubber 55 will successfully separate water with a maximum concentration of 25% hydrocarbon or other oil, or 250,000 parts per million. The wastewater is circulated evenly over the top of the particulate by the diffuser plate. The immediate discoloration of the particulate indicates the oil is being absorbed into the absorbent W particulate in the filters instantly. The flow rate here is about 9 gallons per minute. The system will filter and separate oil and water at a rate up to 500 gallons per hour. The filtering and resultant separation of the water from the hydrocarbon occurs immediately. Filling these 2 clear mugs, one from the inflow and one from the outflow, shows how well Scrubber 55 works. It is clear effective filtration is taking place. Tests have shown 99.9% of standard motor oil, diesel fuel, or gasoline will be instantly removed from the oil-water mixture, and the resultant outflow will meet almost every stormwater runoff standard. Check with your local authorities for their particular requirement. The particulate will need to be replaced as it reaches full saturation. The life of the particulate depends on the concentration of oils in the waste being processed and the flow rate. The discharge water will have a definite sheen when the particulate is saturated. The absorbent W particulate absorbs the oil. Capillary action draws the hydrocarbon into each piece of particulate. Once the oil has been captured this way, it is permanently trapped. Absorbent W particulate is an environmentally friendly product. It is safe for your employees to handle in its unused form. It offers the widest range of disposal options after use. It is approved for landfill because the oil does not leach out of the wood cellulose fiber. It is approved for incineration. The combination of trapped oil and the cellulose wood fiber results in very little ash and results in a very high BTU output. It works well in bioremediation facilities where the oil can be destroyed by added enzymes and bacteria, and the unbleached cellulose wood fiber simply decomposes. Water Scrubber 55 is able to filter every oil and water mixture, allowing you to release environmentally acceptable water into the environment and dispose of the waste oils in completely acceptable ways. Water Scrubber 55 is a sensible, cost-effective solution for your difficult environmental problems.